Check futures, please. Tuesday morning, modest gains at best. Dow's up about 100 at the opening bell. David Nicholas joins us to check out the markets this morning. All right, David, we're into September. We've got October, November, and December to come, the rest of the year. What is your outlook for the markets rest of the year?
Yeah, Stuart, I mean, it can't be worse than the first half of the year, right? That's all of our hope. I mean, from a technical standpoint, S&P's trading right around 3,900. For me, there's a lot of support right at 3,900. But this is a data-dependent market, Stuart. I mean, really, we have to look at what inflation does. Tell me what's happening with inflation. I can tell you a lot about what the markets are going to do. Because if inflation stays sticky, which I personally think it will, the Fed is going to continue to stay hawkish. So I think at least for the next two inflation reports, Stuart, the market's not going to like it. I think we continue to see choppiness. But I've said this before, that I think around the midterm elections, I think that should be a clear bottom for these markets. I think between November and December, most of the return for these markets will come in the back half of the year. You'll have the midterms behind us. You'll hopefully see some slowing in inflation. I think that'll be the sign for the market that the bottom is in, and we should see markets head higher. But I think we got to get through these next two inflation reports first, Stuart.
Understood. I mean, it's data dependent, and anything can happen. We all understand. So it's very difficult to be forecasting the market. But do you have a target for the S&P 500 for the end of the year? I see right now it's at 39.35. Where to on December 31st?
Okay. Let's see. I think let's bring the politics a little bit. I think that has to do with it. If Republicans take back the House and the Senate, I think we see markets head higher. I would put the S&P above 4,000. If inflation stays high, Republicans don't take back the Senate, I think you'll see a 38.50 for the S&P, so a little bit lower than where it is now.